Good morning, grade 2. How are you? I hope you're doing great. Today, we are going to explain three-digit subtraction. The first exercise is 965 minus 238. Now, the first question we are going to ask ourselves, can we subtract 5 minus 8? No, we cannot, because the 5 is smaller than 8. So we are going to knock at our neighbor's door in order to borrow a 110 from her. Now our neighbor is the 6. So the 6 is going to be 5, and the 5 is going to be 15 because we took a 110 from the 6. Now 15 minus 8 is, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. These are 7. 5 minus 3 is 2, and 9 minus 2 is 7. So the answer is 727. This is our first exercise. Now, let's have a look at another exercise. 452 minus 260. Now, the question is, can we subtract 2 minus 6? No, we cannot, because the 2 is less than 6. So we have to borrow from our neighbor, which is the 5. The 5 is going to be 4, and the 2 is going to be 12. So 12 minus 6 is, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. These are 6. The answer is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So my answer is 236. This is the second exercise. Let's see another one that has a 0. 901 minus 675. I want you to pay attention, please. 1 minus 5. We said before that we cannot subtract the 1 minus 5 because the 1 is smaller than the 5. So we are going to borrow from the number next to me. 0. Can we take anything from the 0? No, we cannot, because the 0 has nothing to give me. So we are going to look at the 9. Can the 9 give me? Yes, obviously it can. So we are going to cross out the 9. It's going to be 8. And this 0 is going to be 10. So now the 10 is going to tell the 1, now I can give you a 110 because I'm a big number. I'm 10. So the 10 is going to be 9 because we are going to give a 110 to the 1. So I have to cross out the 10 again. And it's going to be 9. Now the 1 is going to be 11, so we are going to subtract 11 minus 5. After the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. These are 6. Now 9 minus 7 is 2, and 8 minus 6 is 2. So my final answer is 226. Okay. Now we are going to take another example in order to make this clear. 702 minus 426. I want this to be clear enough, so please pay attention. 2 minus 6, we cannot subtract because the 2 is smaller than 6. So we are going to look at the 0. Can I take anything from the 0? No, I can't. So I'm going to look at the 7. Obviously, I can take a 110 from the 7, so I'm going to cross out the 7. It's going to be 6, and the 0 is going to be 10. Now, the 10 is going to tell the 2 that I can give you a 110 now because I'm at 10. So we are going to cross out the 10. It's going to be 9 because it gave a 110 to the 2. Now, the 2 is going to be 12. So now we can subtract 12 minus 6. After the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. These are 6. minus 2 is 7, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So my final answer is 276. I hope you understood today's lesson. In the next video, we are going to explain the problem solving related to our lesson.